Hi, Tony here. I'm a realtor here in Fairfield and New Haven counties. Thank you for scanning the QR code. You probably got here either by a letter, postcard, or an email, and I want to thank you. I want to share with you a little bit about what's going on in the real estate market right now, especially if you're selling your home for sale by owner. And by the way, I think you should try. I mean, why not, right? I get it. I know why you're doing it, to save some money. But please be aware, there are challenges that not even listing agents are having to face right now in this market. We have less buyers, and most buyers right now are working with buyer agents. And buyer agents typically won't show a for sale by owner because they just don't know how to call you. Negotiate commissions if possible. They might be a little intimidated or afraid. Yes, us realtors can be intimidated. So that's why a lot of people working with realtors will never come and look at your home. So I have some good news. I have something I want to give you that will help mitigate that and help you overcome that. So bear with me. But again, the market is challenging. Even listing agents like me are seeing homes stay on the market longer, and it's challenging, especially if you are not putting your home on the MLS where buyer agents can work directly with you. This thing is going to be very difficult. It's going to be a challenging road, but not impossible. So that's where I come in. As a local real estate agent, I am committed to helping you guys without ever pressing you to list with me. I will never ask you to list with me. Here's what I want to give you. I'll show you examples of it in just a minute. Just hang with me on the video. I want to give you your very own property website. It will not have my brokerage name on it. It will not have my name, my email. It will be all about you and your property. It will allow buyers to schedule a showing with the scheduling tour feature directly with you, where you will be notified when they want to see your home, what time they want to see it, and you can approve it or change the time. You will get a text and an email when they are interested. This thing has a lot of cool features. So I'm going to show it to you right now. Guys, I'm going to give this to you absolutely free. All right, guys, so this is what the website looks like. This is a demo site. So as you see on top, it says for sale by owner. It has main photo in front, whatever one you want. You can select an appointment type, in-person, video chat. You can select a date, schedule a tour. It has all the information, property details, all the photos. So this is cool. It has maps. It has Google Maps. Now the map feature right here has restaurants, coffee, groceries, shopping, parks. They can just click it and it'll show them where everything is. It has a list of schools in the area. And it has the print brochures, which you can. This is your full color flyer, which I will give you access to. As you can see, it's a beautiful color flyer. Has all the information, your information on it, not mine. I will give you your first 10 of these, and then after that, I will give you the ability to print these off as many as you want. These are great to put in your house when you have appointments come in, or I'm going to give you an info tube for free. I will show you what that looks like. What that is you attach it to your for sale sign that's in front of your house. And when people are walking or driving by, they can just pull a flyer out and they can schedule an appointment with you if they want to check out the house. Okay, guys, so this is a picture of the info tube that I spoke about. I will give these to you as long as I have in stock. You can have them. The only thing I ask is that when you sell your home, that you give it back to me so I can use it for another family. So I will also give you for free Facebook, Instagram copy. So you can just take this. I will give you the copy. You can just copy and paste it on your Facebook and Instagram if you just wanted to share it. Or if you wanted to run Facebook ads, I can give you the copy also. And this way, people will click on it and it will go right to you. This is an amazing feature also. So guys, I can go on. There's so much more I want to give you in terms of my marketing arsenal. absolutely free. Remember, never will I ever, ever ask you to list your home. That is my promise. You will never have me ask, are you ready to list with me? That will be your decision and your decision alone. The only thing that I do ask, if in the future you do decide to hire a realtor, maybe this process isn't what you thought it would be, it is tough, then just simply give me the opportunity to show you what I do. What I do is different, and how my program will possibly save you tens of thousands of dollars in heavy fees. And I also have a program that, depending on if you are buying another house, will have you potentially hire me for free. So, a lot of great stuff. Look below the video. There is a link that says free demo website. Click it, and you can go look at the website I just showed you, at your leisure, of course. There will be another link that says free ebook. Grab that. There's another link for you to get on my calendar if you want to have a conversation. If you would like to do a Zoom with me, I can go into more detail on how all of this works, answer any questions you may have. So one more thing, actually, that I would like to give you for free. I will come over and shoot a video of your home and upload it to YouTube. It will have all of your contact info, so anyone who's searching in your county or your town will see it. And you can have potentially thousands of eyes on your property, and I will do it all for free. All right, guys, that is it. Let me know if you're interested. My contact info will also be listed in the video that you're looking at right now. It will have my phone number and email, so you can text, call, whatever you want to do. Get on my calendar, whatever works for you. But guys, seriously, take advantage of all this free stuff, because my marketing and the tools I use get results. And it's going to help you guys in this market where even listing agents are struggling. It's going to help you guys absolutely find more opportunity to give buyers to schedule with you. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching. Oh, you're probably going to get some postcards from me and some more letters. So any questions you have, get back to me and let me know. Guys, I'm truly here for you. I hope you guys are able to sell your home on your own. And if not, or if you just need help, I'm just a text, a phone call, or a Zoom away. All right, guys, have a great day. And until I potentially see you on another video, I hope you sell your home. Bye.